Hey guys, so it is Tuesday and I am here at Target because I have to pick up some cleaning supplies and things like that. And I know that the company I love to use for cleaning, the Myers company, they have a brand new fall collection out. Some apple cider and apples and things like that. Pumpkin spice, the different scents. Mrs. Myers, I think it's called. I don't know, something Myers. But I'm going to go inside Target and see if I can smell and check those out. And see what else we can find. So why don't you guys just tag along. So the dollar spot, guys, check this out. Brittany loves cactuses. It's one of those little signs you hang and it says, "Let's stick together," with the cute little cactus. This thing is $3. I'm gonna get it for her and surprise her. Then they have really cute farmhouse stuff. Look at this sign. "Welcome to the farmer's market, fresh produce." Definitely getting that for myself for my kitchen. And I don't know, I know Brittany's not a little kid, but this is the cutest little dish. And sometimes she will, you know, make herself some toast or something for breakfast with some eggs. It's just a cute little plate. So I don't know if I'm gonna definitely get that, but I threw it in the cart. So let's go look for the cleaning stuff. Well, looks like they don't have it, but I'm gonna keep looking because sometimes they have displays. Can't find it. Ah. So yeah, I can't find it despite looking for other things. So I like the honeysuckle scent. This is the multi-purpose cleaner, so I'm gonna grab one of these. Or maybe I should just get the refill. I don't know. Let's see, 16 and 16. It's actually a better deal to just get the one that's already filled. That's a real bummer. And they have a glass cleaner. Never tried the glass cleaner before. If you guys have tried the glass cleaner, let me know. I always check out the mugs when I'm here, so let's check them out. They have some cute ones. Oh my god, these are so cute. If I can find one with a bee, I'm getting it for a gift for Brittany because she is the flower girl. Oh, here's one. How much are these? $5.99. That's such a good deal. Get one of these. I don't know if you can see this, but it's the metal sign. Look, and then we're gonna turn it on. That's cute. Do you want one of these? So a friend of mine had a baby right before we left for Germany, a little boy, Nicholas. So while I'm here, I may as well pick up a gift, and I found these two cute. Look how cute this is. Little brother, and look at the little feet. Oh my god. I'm gonna grab this one, and his dad is into like construction and stuff, and I found this, which I thought is adorable. It has the backhoe on it, and it's just stripes. So cute. I'm looking to see what else I can find. I know that new parents could always use diapers and stuff, but I don't know because I've been out of it for so long as to the sizes, so I'm just gonna look through here and see what else I can find for this little baby Nicholas. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure they had got everything that they need, but you know, you never know. So I'm just looking, see what else I can find. Maybe some cute bibs. I don't know. He's probably not eating yet. He's just new. It's been so long. Let's see what else we can find. Oh boy, guys, it's been so long. Honestly, I don't know. I'm like looking through the diapers here and there's so many kinds and I don't even know. I don't know. Maybe I'll go with the outfits and give her a gift card and then she can get what she needs. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. All right, so we will go look for a gift bag. So I'm in Khol'S in the changing room and found this pink sweatshirt with the knot at the bottom and some Moto leggings. I don't know if you can see. They have the Moto detail. Mirror's dirty here. But it's pretty cute. I like these. Cute, right? This is a junior size small and a junior size small pants, but they have them in every size. Check it out. I think they're cute. Can you see? Ah, I'm really loving this color, so I think I'm gonna pick this up. Here's from the side. Fix my bra. So I found these little jeggings, butterfly, size 4. They're kind of cute. Let me see. Tuck it in. Tuck it out. Here it is with the pink. Cute.
This is extra small. It's not I love it. I wouldn't even buy it. I mean, the largest is gonna like what got my. I like that. It's a good color for you, honey. Beautiful.
So just left the store. The only thing I walked out of there with was the camo leggings, the black Moto jeggings, and the pink sweatshirt. And those black boots with the silver rhinestones on the back, the Steve Madden ones, holy crap. I wanted them so bad, but they were $100 and I can't, after going away on vacation, can't do it. The rest of the stuff was on clearance, so I walked out with 2 pairs of jeggings and the sweatshirt for about $35. The pants were $12.99, and what was the shirt? Oh my god, if I could do math in my head. Anyway, it was a good deal. I purposely went to the clearance section just to see, because sometimes you can find some really good stuff, and fall is around the corner, so I'm trying to slowly build up my wardrobe for that, to allow myself a couple more pounds. So the pants fit, but they were fitted, so I'm hoping between now and, you know, like September, October, obviously I'll get rid of a couple more pounds and they'll fit a little bit better. So That's the key, guys, when you're losing weight and you want to reinvest in some clothing items, and you are really focused and determined and know that you're not going to sidetrack. Buy something that fits, but that you definitely need to lose like 4 or 5 pounds with to fit like real good. That's what I just did, because I'm afraid if I buy something that fits me right now and then I lose a couple more pounds, then it's gonna get not like I like it. So anywho, that's the scoop. It's now 2 o'clock. I have to pick Britt up at the airport tonight at 8. Her flight comes in, so I'm gonna probably head home now and start cooking my lean and green so that I can have it before I pick her up. Target has Starbucks, so I wound up getting my Passion Tango tea, which I love. Unsweetened, no lemonade, nothing in it. It's just the tea, and I had some extra ice put in there because it is a scorcher here today. And that's it.